Hallo zusammen! In today's episode of How to Speak German Like a Native, it's getting lecker, delicious, because my grandparents made potato pancakes and they invited me and my family over to them. Let's learn some German expressions and words that relate to frying stuff and the like. This video might be a bit shorter than the usual ones because I didn't plan on filming this in the first place, so that was pretty much a spontaneous idea. Anyway, when I eat something like weiße Bohnensuppe, white bean soup, I usually also fry, braten, some pre-prepared Kartoffelpuffer, fried potato patties. And just in general, I'm a fan of Gerichte, dishes that include Kartoffeln, potatoes. I'm a fan of that stuff. The other day, my Großeltern, my grandparents, prepared a tasty Suppe, a soup. It was a Schnippelbohnensuppe, a green beans soup, and they also prepared some Reibeplätzchen, potato pancakes, for das Plätzchen Singular, die Plätzchen Plural, little cookies. Don't confuse this with ordinary cookies though, because you don't bake this stuff. Some Germans rather call them Reibekuchen though, for der Kuchen Singular, die Kuchen Plural, the cake. Meine Großeltern haben eine Schnippelbohnensuppe und Reibeplätzchen zubereitet. My grandparents have prepared a green beans soup and potato pancakes. Reibeplätzchen müssen gebraten werden. Potato pancakes need to be fried. And in order to fry potato pancakes, you need various things. For instance, Reibeplätzchenteig, potato pancake dough. Some Öl, some oil. My grandparents prefer frying with Rapsöl, which to my German surprise translates to rape oil? Okay then. A Teig for Reibeplätzchen might include 1 Kilogramm mehlig kochende Kartoffeln, eine Zwiebel, 2 Eier, 2 Esslöffel Mehl, einen halben Teelöffel Salz und Pfeffer aus der Mühle. By the way, the German abbreviation EL is a short form of der Esslöffel, the German term for tablespoon, and TL means teaspoon, der Teelöffel. In German Rezepten, in recipes, you will find these abbreviations quite often. Sobald der Teig zubereitet ist, gibt man kleine Teile davon in einen Campingkocher. Once the dough is prepared, you spread little parts of it on or into a camping stove, or a hot plate in this sense. It's der Campingkocher, Singular, die Campingkocher, Plural, camping stove or camping hot plate. The Campingkocher has already been prepared with some Rapsöl beforehand, of course. Die Reibeplätzchen brauchen nicht allzu lange, um gebraten zu werden. The potato pancakes don't take very long to be fried. And even though pre-prepared ones, meaning ones you can buy at the supermarket, also taste really good, well, es gibt nichts Besseres als Omas Essen. There is nothing better than Grandma's dishes. Oh yeah! I hope you've enjoyed this video as well. If you have, spread the word and leave a like. Also feel free to check out the video description down below with many social media links and helpful support options as well. Thanks for doing that and thanks for watching as well. I'm your Vlog Dave. Tschüss und bis zum nächsten Mal.